bed bug. Chinchitaraya. She was bitten by bed bug. Chinchitaraya. Number 11 is Ochichi. Ochichi. Ochichi means leadership. Ochichi means leadership. Ochichi Tinubu Atoka. Tinubu's leadership is very sweet. Yeah, in English, making a sentence like this sounds odd. Say someone's leadership is very sweet because leadership is not sweet. Maybe we can say Tinubu's leadership is interesting, is enjoyable, is good. That's in English. But in Igbo, the word talker is sweet. In Igbo, it makes sense to say something like leadership is sweet. But in English, when you translate it directly, saying that leadership is sweet doesn't really make sense. The number 12 is Chia, similar to Ochichi. Chia is rule, lead. Chia, lead us, rule us.